What up, Patman Nation? It's your boy Patman, and I'm back here with another video. I know I haven't been on here for a very long time. This might be the actually longest time I haven't recorded, but I'm back and I got something very special for you guys right now. Two things actually. One thing I like to say is that I'm also going to be participating in the daily vlogs and daily any kind of videos all the way until Christmas. From today, we will have a new intro as well for Christmas. And right now, this video right now that's about to go up, it's finna be lit, so just keep watching. Right now, I'm about to do a prank on my sister's boyfriend, Derek. Right now, he's in the kitchen making me breakfast, and I feel so damn bad right now, Derek. I love you, bro. I'm trying to make sure he doesn't hear me, and I'm trying to hurry up so he doesn't realize I'm being weird. But yeah, I'm about to go do a prank on him. Coughing blood prank on him. I got fake blood. I'm gonna put it on me, and I'm gonna act like I'm coughing fake blood. I'm gonna act like I'm coughing blood while we're talking, and see how he reacts. Hopefully, it's funny. It should be funny because he's funny. But yeah, right now he's in the kitchen making me breakfast, being a good future brother-in-law, and I'm just over here being a devil. But yeah, so let's go on with the prank, guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up, and I hope it works out.
Shit was
They actually
smooth.
know how to party.
One of those good nights, man. So just drunk people and hey, you can't drive home. They want to argue back. Other than that, it was good. So it's good. It was good though. I'm about to go get my shape up today. That's why I got looked up my appointment. I gotta go to the post office. I'm gonna go to the store. I gotta go to the car wash. What type of bread do you want? This one? One more. You want like 2 sandwiches, or you want like a triple decker?
Two.
Got a new flag and I think I like it. Ooh, yeah. So excited. Boy, you finna get sick just like your brother.
What the hell?
Yeah, ma.
Bruh.
Shit, bro. You alright? Dang. I love you. Let's drink some water. Yeah. Fine,
That John hurt.
does this hurt your throat or like
My throat.
does your throat? Nah,
Yeah.
just drink that. Drink that. Damn. Well, yeah, hold on, let me. Drink some water. Drink some water. Just breathe in through your nose. Breathe in through your nose. Just relax. Breathe in through your nose, not your mouth. Just relax. Breathe through your nose. That's it.
I don't know, I'm shaking.
I know. Yeah, because you saw blood. You got a little nervous, right? I've seen people cough up blood, spit up blood. Just in through your nose. Sometimes it's like allergies and stuff. People be like bleeding through anything. Weather changes. You gotta just relax, drink some water. How you feeling?
My chest.
It's like your chest.
Yeah.
You feel like the heartbeat kind of raising a little bit.
Yeah.
Let me put this on low. Let me get my phone real quick. I take precautions sometimes.
Yeah, bro.
He about to hate me when he come back. He would get his phone. I don't know what he about to call. Check Should I drag it out? I'm about to drag it out and I got passed out. No, I'm not gonna do that. Hey, D.
What's that? Damn, man. It's messed up, man.
What you call?
I was calling Hilda, man.
Tell her.
Yo, your brother's a dirty man, yo. Your brother's a dirty man, yo. Well, both of them, but Patrick. Oh, man. So, Josh going to the damn doctor because he's sick.
What up, Hilda?
And then Patrick's all like, you know, he's sitting at the kitchen table because I'm about to make him some, you know, eggs or whatnot. All of a sudden, he started coughing or whatever. So I'm like, damn, you getting sick too. So all of a sudden, like I turn around, he got like blood all over his hand. So I'm like, yo, you coughing up blood, bro? So I'm like, all right, hey, just stay calm, just drink some water, you'll be good. So I got some water for him. And then yo, you coughing up blood? He had blood like all over his shirt. Like, I'm like, yo, what the hell? So I go to grab my phone so I can call you. I come back up, this nigga has fake blood in his damn hand. He recorded it. I'm like, you're a dirty man, yo. Dirty man, dirty Dan, you heard me?
Alright, so there you have it, guys. That was the coughing out blood prank on my sister's boyfriend. If you guys enjoyed this prank, please give it a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe. Told y'all he wasn't gonna really give too much of a kind of reaction, but he did give a reaction because I got him in the end. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, man. Derek, I love you, bro. I'm sorry I had to do it. I told him I was gonna come back stronger every time I go away, so I had to do it. Okay, I had to. Patman Nation, I love y'all. Stay tuned for more. Y'all see how I'm coming reckless. It's my year, it's my season. Let's do it. Patman Nation, thank y'all, love y'all. Deuces.